Okay, a brief comparison between the Autel MK808 and the Xtool D7. Let's start with functionality. Both kind of have similar features, but Autel has a slighter edge. And then in pricing, Xtool is relatively affordable than the Autel. And then in terms of updates, Xtool has 3 years of updates, but Autel has 1 year. And on renewing, Autel you pay around $125 and Xtool you pay about $99. For speed, I would personally say that the Xtool has a slighter edge in speed, but for updated versions of the MK808, the speed is also quite good. And for customer support, Autel has a better customer support because it has been in existence for a while and has a better reputation than the Xtool. And for terms of charging and battery and so on, Xtool is better. It has more charging ports. Its battery is good compared to that of the Autel. So in conclusion, I would say both are good, but if you want something cheaper with very good features, you would go for Xtool. If you want something affordable with premium features, you would opt for an Autel.